flying?
Flying.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, yes. Now, after idolizing this man's videos on YouTube and TikTok, I finally get to see Kichi Omurice in person at Kichi Kichi Omurice in Kyoto. This man's passion for food is world-renowned, and the quality of it is a little expensive, but it's worth it for the experience of meeting the man himself, his passion and everything, and making the perfect omurice. Oh yes, indeed. So, without further ado, I'm gonna head over there right now. Let's go. Omurice is a form of Western-style Japanese yoshoku with origins from the turn of the 20th century, comprising flavoured rice wrapped within a fluffy omelette. A go-to choice amongst diners in some family Japanese restaurants, much of the dish's popularity today is created because of the man we're about to see, Motokichi Yukimura, who wows customers with his theatrics whenever he prepares the omelette dish in his restaurant Kichi Kichi. He actually does a song and dance number as well, which unfortunately I didn't catch on camera, but I'm sure you can find on YouTube somewhere. Let's go, baby! We made it! Is this the right place?
Yeah. This is it.
Hell yeah.
I've been to like a really popular restaurant.
Oh, let's go.
Yeah.
Oh, we made it. Let's fucking go. Come on. Let's fucking go. The legend himself in person. Holy crap. My god. Kichi-sama. As you see before your eyes, there are two types of omurice mold. The small one with the red sauce on top and the big one with the brown sauce on top. The bigger one is obviously more expensive and has the demi-glace sauce on top, whereas the red one has a tomato sauce on top, which is pretty nice. I'm sure if you asked nicely enough though that he could swap the sauces around.
Making start. Fire!
Let's go!
Get out, Omicron BFI! The king and the onion. I am the making tea. Mushroom. And soybean.
The best than I could ever do.
And the making tea. I think 10 grams about 1 regular star. And 2 regular star. And 3 regular star. And 4 regular star. And 5 regular star. Yeah. And 6 regular star. Oh yeah. And 7 regular star. And 2 small star. And 4 small star. And very expensive. Happy. More. More.
Honest to God, he is such an amazing person, so nice and friendly, and his tricks are so cool, and you can tell he's got so much passion for his job.
No, quick. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at it. はい、グッドです。デミグラス。はい。 はい、行きましょう。よいしょ。
Gordon Ramsay could never.
Oh, the master, the master.
There we go.
Very tired.
Yeah. There we go.
Flying.
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 Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yes.
3 eggs.
The master of work. I'm shaking, I'm so excited.
Oh my god.
Oh, fucking hell, my hand is shaking. Oh,
Left hand. Right hand. Right outside.
outside in.
Very well. More. Scrambled eggs.
Scrambled eggs.
Omelette. はい、どんどんどん、バラリンちゃん、オムレット is flying. Ready?
Ready. Oh!
最後です。
Cat boy.
はい、ダンスイーツ、じゃあオムライ
うまい。
シュンパガー
Oh, this is amazing. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Now this was another amazing part of the evening. My friend Ben, who arranged the whole meal for us, called up beforehand and asked if he could have a private cooking session with the master himself, where he actually teaches people how to make his omurice, which is really fucking cool.
もうちょっと、もうちょっと、もう少し、もう少し、もう少し、もう少し。はい、グッドグッド。はい、下げてリストサイズ。そう。はい、どうもどうもありがとう。
Beautiful.
There we go, baby. You know this.
And just like that, we are back home, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for watching. I just want to say a few parting words before you can get on with whatever you're doing with the rest of your day. I would highly recommend going to Kichi Kichi Omurice for the entertainment value alone, because it was an amazing place, it was an amazing experience, and I'm definitely going to take my mum and my sister there when they come over. Hopefully, fingers crossed, they actually manage to do sometime next year to visit. Fingers crossed. The food was kinda, personally, I'm not gonna lie to you, the food was kinda mid food kinda, but it was overall an amazing experience, and I would go again. I would honestly go again because the food does fill you up. It would, but I expected a bit more flavour. But other than that, it was an amazing experience, and I'd highly recommend going if you do find yourself in Japan, since the borders are opening soon. Other than that, though, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic evening, day or night, wherever you are in the world, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sorry about the camera quality. I'm using my Mac my Mac camera to record this. So if you look back into my old videos, you can see how the camera quality used to just be like this all the time. Oh my god. And the lateness of this video is because I've just been, school started up and I've been a bit overwhelmed with homework and stuff at the moment, just getting into the routine of everything with actually doing work here again and all that. But thank you again so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you did for more vlogs. There will be more soon. I promise we're going on the Great Tokyo Adventure. The Great Tokyo Adventure. It's already been recorded. It has already been recorded, so stay tuned for that. It should hopefully, fingers crossed, be out very soon. Sayonara. Have a fantastic evening, day, or night, wherever you are in the world, ladies and gentlemen.